Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a food vacuum sealer from QDH. Let's get right to it. Now I've reviewed multiple items from QDH so far. They have been pretty awesome so far and everything that they sent me is pretty cool, and they sent me this now. I thought it was pretty interesting. I can't wait to actually open it up and see what it's about, so I'm going to go ahead and get it open. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. However, I have some clue. I looked up a few examples online. I got some foods that I want to try. I want to reseal this bag of rice. It's supposed to reseal it. I want to see if it works. And let's see. Okay, so this is the film you're gonna be using. And apparently you seal it from one end, and then you seal the other once you have everything inside. Let's see what else we got here. Alrighty. So QDH little thank you note. And I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit to give you guys a proper review. So I'm gonna be doing that. And we have some pre-packaged sealed bags. Hey, that's kind of nice. Hey, that's cool. I was not expecting that. Cool. So I don't have to actually, I'm still gonna do this. You know, I want to see if I can make one of my own. But yeah, pre-sealed bags. This is great. How many does it come with? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it comes with 4 pre-seal and a roll. And I believe that QDH sells the extra ones as well. I'm gonna be putting everything on the description below, all the links for them. They got some really good stuff in their store. All right, so I believe we're ready to get this out. What we got here? Well, I'm gonna build the rice. No clue what this is, but I'm gonna find out. All right, let me go ahead and put it up. There's another bag. Ooh, 5 pre-sealed bags. Okay, what we got? Here it is. This is what it looks like. So this part opens up. Okay. That's pretty cool. Apparently it's water safe. I'm gonna be putting it on the sink once I'm done with all this. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. This is the front. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look into the manual real quick and then do a demonstration. Okay, everybody, I've taken the time to look at the manual, how everything works, and here's what I got. Here are the modes in front of it. Here you're gonna see canister. That's why this hose is for. It goes right here. They sell certain canisters online where you can actually vacuum seal them, and you will use this for that. You will use that for that. Then we have the vacuum seal, which is a standard vacuum seal for cereal, veggies, meats, and things like that. We have mode. You got gentle or normal. Let's say you got potato chips and you want to reseal them with vacuum seal, you would use the gentle mode. That way the vacuum doesn't crush the chips. But right now I'm going to be using normal. I'm going to be using some cereal as an example. Then we have standard seal. I have a bag of rice, which I plan to reseal. And then the stop button. So let's get with the demonstration. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna be using one of the pre-made bags that came with it. I'm gonna show you guys how this roll works, of course. But let's just show you guys a quick demonstration how this works. I'm gonna go ahead. I wanna say some cereal as an example. Now, here is the trick. You guys see this opening right here, this opening. You want to make sure that you align the end of it right in the middle. This will make sure that you create a proper vacuum seal and a proper burn. So I'll make sure it's completely sealed. So let's go ahead, and I believe I got it right aligned. Then when your body weight, you're gonna press on one end, make sure it clicks, and then the other end, and then. That is so cool. Bam! That's one of the coolest things ever. I love this, man. Look at that. It's like sealed tight. Whoa! That is cool. All right, that's that. Now, I want to seal the bag of rice, right? It's open, obviously. So what I want, the sealing element is right here. So I'm going to align it around this rubber area, I believe. And let me go ahead and get started with that. I want to seal it right about there. Gonna go ahead and press it down. Gonna press seal. It lights up. See, it's lighting up right now. It's doing the burn. Once the seal disappears, it's done. There he goes. Seal's done. Look. Look. Completely sealed. That is so awesome. I like that. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own pre-made bags, because they're not pre-sealed. You have to make them on your own. Let's get to that. Okay, everybody, so here is the roll, right? I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down to the rear. I'm gonna lift the little cutter. I'm gonna lift it, put it right here. And basically you custom made your bag, whether you want it long or short. I say that's about right? Then you're gonna bring this little lever. It's gonna move across. It's got a blade. And it moves it. And here's your bag. So once you're done with this, you have to seal it, of course. Same as I did with the bag of rice. You're going to align the end right here in the rubbery place, in this rubber area, because the burner is right here. And I bring it down. Press it real good. Seal. I think this is pretty cool. I really think this is cool. I'm actually enjoying myself doing this review. I really am. Then press on these buttons. Opens up. We got ourselves our custom-made bag. Let me put some rice on it just for the heck of it. Oh, I gotta open it. There we go. That is so cool, man. That is really cool. Let's say I want to say some rice, an example. I'm using the rice just as an example, and I just made a mess. Hey, it's part of it. All right, so now, like I showed you guys before, you want to bring the end of the bag towards the middle of the opening. Not all the way back, right in the middle. That's where the magic happens. Carefully bring it down. Vacuum seal. This is so cool. And there it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. So now I'm gonna show you guys cleaning. Let's get to the kitchen. Let me show you guys. Okay, guys, so now for cleaning, pretty simple. You're gonna lift it up. Again, lift it up again, and this comes dislocated on its own, see? And this is the part you wanna be cleaning, mainly because you see this area in the middle? This is where it collects all the debris or the food. So there's like a little rice grain in there. And this is the part that it cleans up really easily. Whoop. Whoop. Done! Well, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and somewhat entertaining, because I did have fun making these. This is pretty cool. I mean, look at it. It's like, I don't know. I really enjoyed it about it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.